Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits and versatile uses. Made from fermented apple juice, this natural ingredient can be used in various ways to enhance your overall well-being. Here are 5 uses of apple cider vinegar. 1. Digestive aid. Apple cider. Vinegar is known to improve digestion by promoting the production of stomach acid. It can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and heartburn. Simply mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and drink it before meals to support healthy digestion. 2. Weight management. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet may assist in weight loss and management. It helps control blood sugar levels, reduces cravings, and enhances feelings of fullness. Adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and consuming it before meals can help regulate appetite and promote weight loss. 3. Skincare. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a natural remedy for various skin issues. It can be used as a facial toner to balance the skin's pH, reduce acne, and minimize the appearance of blemishes. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and apply it to your skin using a cotton pad for radiant and healthy-looking skin. 4. Household cleaner. Apple cider vinegar is an effective and non-toxic alternative to commercial cleaning products. Its acidic properties make it a great disinfectant and deodorizer. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and use it to clean surfaces, windows, and floors. It can also remove stains and buildup from kitchen appliances. 5. Hair care. Apple cider vinegar can improve the health and appearance of your hair. It helps balance the pH of the scalp, remove product buildup, and add shine to your locks. After shampooing, rinse your hair with a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Regular use can result in stronger, smoother, and more manageable hair. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile ingredient with numerous uses. Whether it's for improving digestion, aiding weight management, enhancing skincare, cleaning your home, or promoting healthy hair, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine can provide several benefits. However, it's essential to use it in moderation and consult a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.